How to create simple affiliate marketing sales funnel. What's going on, guys? Francis Abaganya here today, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how you can create simple sales funnel for affiliate marketing. Alright, now if you want to have access to stuff like this or a sales funnel builder, click the first link in the description and sign up for the builder or 7 days free trial. You can actually follow up with this tutorial and see how you can actually create sales pages for your business, or to create sales funnels to use to promote affiliate marketing product online today. Okay, and if you like the platform very well, if you like the builder platform, you can actually upgrade your account, maybe the basic or to the standard and the business plan. The business plan gives you the opportunity to become an affiliate. Okay, you can actually promote Builderall as an affiliate and make money from promoting the software as well. So with that being said, let's hop right to the video. If you're new to the channel, my name is Francis Aboganye. I make entrepreneurship videos, make money online. I share my journey as well as my experiences with you guys right here on this channel. So I invite you to hit that red subscribe button, take that bell notification icon, that way you get notified when I put out new videos. So with that being said, let's hop right to the video. So in creating this funnel blueprint, this is what you're going to be finding on the back end of Builderall. Okay, in the sales funnel section of Builderall, you're going to be seeing this as well, where they explain this in a more detailed way as well. So in using this to create affiliate marketing or to promote affiliate marketing product, okay, the first thing is the outline right here is traffic. Where you're getting traffic from. Okay, and you're sending traffic from, let's say, Facebook or Instagram, and you're sending it to your landing pages. Okay, and which you're sending traffic to your sales pages or your funnel. Okay, to throw the traffic right here into your funnel, which this funnel pages are just going to be like 3 pages. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. Okay, 3 different pages for your sales funnel. Now in this first one right here, this is where you're going to be explaining what they're going to be getting inside it. Let's say you're giving a freebie. Okay, you want to collect people's information in exchange for a freebie, let's say an ebook. Okay, this is what you're going to be doing literally. All right, now you can actually use Builderall to build this sales funnel. Okay, this is a simple blueprint, and you can also use it to do email automations, send bulk emails and all that. So let's say you're getting traffic from Facebook, Instagram, Google, wherever you're getting traffic from, and you're sending them into your sales funnel, right? And you explain everything about what they're going to be getting on the first page, linking them. This will be a button that, let's say, you're giving them access. Okay, linking them to the second page. Okay, from here you're sending them to this other page, right? And this is the page where you'll be collecting their contact information. This is their contact. You're collecting their contact information right here, right? Or that you're going to be using to send them emails. Let's just say this is email 1. Then after you put in the information, you're bringing them to the thank you page, which is the final page. Okay, where you're going to be telling them that, okay, I've actually sent your free copy to the email box, the email you provided right here. Okay, so they can go there and download the email, right? So you're explaining that, you're telling them that right here on the thank you page. Then on the thank you page, you can actually give them an offer. Okay, right here you can tell them, okay, before you go, let me give you a one-time offer, so you can promote a product right here. Okay, since you already have the emails of these people, you can actually follow up on them later on, sending them emails on similar offers such as the one you're promoting right here, or similar offers in your niche, depending on your niche. Okay, make sure you're promoting offers or products that are very, very good and beneficial to your audience, or beneficial to the people you're bringing into your sales funnel. So that's literally how you can create a simple affiliate marketing sales funnel. And you can use Builderall, okay, mailing bots, to actually send email automations, or create email automations that you're going to be sending out to people. Okay, you can send emails on a regular basis to people or to your list. Okay, because once you're sending traffic into your funnel, you're building a list. Have that in mind, that you're building a list, which you want to be serving this list you're already building and sending them similar offers as well. Okay, now if you have a product, or you have a store, you want to promote your own product, this is the blueprint for a store. Okay, still similar thing, like just like promoting an affiliate offer, because it's still promoting product anyways. All right, just that this one, you're sending traffic from, let's say, Facebook. You're using Facebook to drive the traffic into your sales funnel, and you're bringing them to your storefront, which they can select a particular product they want, right, and come to your video sales data page, and let's say you collect their contact information right here, or you collect it right here, and you can actually send them emails. Okay, and let's say if they purchase from you, you will be sending them to your upsell page, where you're going to be selling them on products or offers that are higher than what they actually purchased on this page or on the storefront. You're going to be selling them products that are higher, which is the upsell, or you can downsell them on products or offers that are lower, okay, from what you're selling them right here. Then after this, which you're going to be sending them now to the thank you page. That's if they decide to go with the downsell or the upsell, you send them to the thank you page right here. All right. So subsequently, since you've already collected their contact information, you can send them follow-up emails on similar offers in the future as well. So this is how to basically build a sales funnel for both affiliate marketing or to sell any product on the internet in general. Which if you want a tool that can actually help you build such sales funnel, click the first link in the description to sign up for Builderall. That's a 7 days free trial. You can test out the software, you can test out the platform and see how it works, okay, and you can use that, okay, to build sales funnel for your business and also do email automation. Builderall is more of like an all-in-one platform for email marketing, affiliate marketing, digital marketing, just selling any product or services on the internet in general. Builderall is more of like an all-in-one platform. So click the link and check that out today. So if you enjoyed this video, smash that thumbs up button. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed already, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button right now, and I will see you guys in my next video.